G'day guys, we're here at FENNELL Tyres, about to do the early bird draw for the truck entrance. If you had your truck in before the 24th of October, your name will be in a hat and you'll be able to win these DH16 drive tyres. Best of luck.
Hi everyone, Elder from FENNELL TYRES INTERNATIONal, sponsoring the Mack Muster this year with the DH16 hand-cooked drive tyre. Exceptional tyre, and happy to support the Harry Perkins Cancer Institute.
Okay guys, welcome to the draw. Main man Elder here, he's going to draw the first prize. There you go, Elder.
It's a good mix, Pete.
Good mix, yep.
The lucky winner is Pete Haynes, Midland Higher Haulage.
Well done, Peter. Congratulations, mate. Oh, Elder, I'd just like to say, Elder, from the whole team, thanks for your support. Thanks for being one of the first people to come forward to sponsor the event, mate.
Always happy to help, Steve.
It's a pleasure, mate. Thank you.
Thanks very much,
All the best.
Steve. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.